What's up, guys? Happy Tuesday. Welcome to the channel. On today's episode, I have a visitor here at my house. His name is Paul. He's from the Fairing Xchange. He has actually come to my home, to my shop, to put an inner fairing on my bike. I did a meet and greet with his company at Biketoberfest. Unfortunately, he wasn't able to be there the first day, and that's okay. I met him the following day. I got a great opportunity just now to talk with him for the past 2 hours. I really want you guys to meet this gentleman. I want you to see his setup. But first, coffee. So this is Paul. Paul, welcome.
Good to meet you.
Good to meet you.
Actually.
Yeah, absolutely. Tell these guys a little bit about yourself.
Well, obviously, our plan, we're the Fairing Xchange. We've been doing painted inner fairings for 17 years now that we swap out on the bikes to give you the color matched inner fairing like they do on most of the CVOs. They're not even doing that completely anymore.
All factory colors, correct?
Factory colors, paint from Harley Davidson, OEM parts.
Perfect.
Not the stuff ordered out of another country. Having said that, our plan when you came to see us at Biketoberfest was we were going to do a color matched inner fairing on your bike. And unfortunately, I wasn't able to be there that day due to a family issue. But I wanted to get this done for you, and what a great opportunity to come to you, which is what we do after rally season, November, December, January timeframe, where we literally go out to people's houses in a minivan, not in a big trailer and truck and all that. We just show up in a minivan, unload a trailer or a table and some tools, and walk up to the bike and swap those parts out. 45 minutes to an hour. We're done, we get to talk a little bit, and then I throw everything back in the van and go to the next stop. Typically, I do one trip starting January 1st, where I literally will go all the way to Texas, up through Missouri, Oklahoma, into Nebraska, South Dakota, Minnesota, Wisconsin, back through Chicago, and in 2 weeks, I'll put on about 40 fairings and drive 6,000 miles.
I hope you guys are paying attention to that.
A lot of driving, but it gives us the opportunity to get to people that can't get to us at a rally. And not everybody is comfortable with just going, hey, let me pull it apart and get it painted by my buddy or whatever.
Right.
They know they can get the quality that we've been doing for years and get it at a reasonable price. Basically, when we go to somebody, we charge an additional $75. Basically helps with travel costs as if you were to see us at a rally. So, great deal. Actually, this year we're going to expand upon that a little bit. We're actually going to be doing some of the headlights and things that we offer at rallies as well. So we'll talk about more on that on our page as we get closer.
And so if someone's interested in this, how do they get a hold of you and how do they set something up?
Well, our website is the Fairing Xchange, which thefairingxchange.com. Yeah, right there. So yeah, that's our website. They can go to our Facebook page, the Fairing Xchange, call our office, whatever, but they'll do a reservation on our website, and literally we'll just lay out a path. We've got one guy that goes up the East Coast all the way to New York, turns around, comes back down. Another guy that goes up basically through the center, Tennessee and all that up to Michigan and comes back. And that all started basically because we had family in the north.
I got you.
We moved to the south because we were smart enough not to stay in the cold.
Yeah.
But anyway, yes, so it just gives us an opportunity to, again, at holiday time, be able to go and see family, but also making something make sense for other people that can't get to us in that time frame. So
makes sense.
That's what we're doing.
Perfect.
But we're here today just to kind of do a little bit of something for you to show how we do that. Again, just table in a few tools and a fairing. So
awesome. So let's get to it.
You got it.
There's Paul. Look at this man, just completely soaked.
Maybe it's the humidity, but yeah.
We're gonna go with humidity. And here's the fairing that y'all just watched him put on in time lapse. And I will attest to the fact that it didn't even take a full hour. So I don't know the exact amount of time that it took him to do this. You can see that he sweat his ass off in the amount of time that it took him to do it. But this time lapse runs for an hour and he didn't reach the end. So he did it in less than an hour, guys.
Yep.
And it looks beautiful, if you ask me. Now, I did just clean this myself personally while he stood there and watched me.
Yeah.
So I think it looks extra good because I cleaned it.
Yep, that's what it is.
But there she is. You guys saw it before. You know how it always looked. And I know those of you haters out there that are going to say you still don't have speaker covers on. I do have them. I just don't like them. So we're going to leave them off. But there it is.
Maybe we can get you fixed up with something.
Maybe. Paul, I want to thank you tremendously.
Not a problem.
Oops, I cut your head off while we were saying that, but
it's okay.
Y'all know I'm not the best at holding this thing. So yes, thank you. Thank you tremendously.
Happy to do it.
I'm going to put right here the link for your website.
Okay.
And for people to set up the opportunity for them to get this done
get a
on their
hold of
own.
us. I mean, literally, we're going to be all over from eastern South Dakota east. And
okay.
Down to Texas. I mean, everybody in the eastern half of the U.S.
Y'all heard him. If you're there, he'll come by and see you. So now that Paul is done with my bike and Melissa just got home, we're going to head out to Tropical Grill, which is located in Hernando Beach, Florida, which is all the way on the West Coast. It's about a 2-hour ride from here. So while this weather is absolutely amazing, let's get on our bikes and ride. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, or good night. Stay upside and we'll see you on the flip.